What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the new Boost Auto mirror lights in a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500. So let's get into it. So here's our beautiful before. They are amber, and then you have the spotlight that's right here. It's turned off obviously right now. Nice. And it also has the chrome too, which at the end it won't be chrome anymore because it'll actually be switched to the new black ones that are also from Boost Auto, and I will show you the after. And here is the after. So we got a nice smoked lens and we swapped them out for the black caps instead of the chrome ones. So this is the look we are going to be achieving, and I'll be showing y'all how on the passenger side. Alrighty, so our first step is removing the upper and lower pieces of our glass. So we're actually going to push down, down, and then pull straight out on our bottom glass. Well, that was not supposed to happen. That's like the most terrifying thing in the whole world because I'm always scared I'm gonna break it. Be advised, this can happen when you're removing glass. So please be cautious and be mindful of that. Moving to our upper glass, we're gonna push our upper glass all the way up, pull with even amount of pressure, and pop it out. And then we're gonna disconnect the top one and these two side ones. Let go. And we actually want to take this mount off of the back of the glass and put it back onto the mirror. So I'll be showing you how to do that over there. And kind of very gently pry up until it pops off. So we're going to put it back on the mirror, and we want to line up these tabs with these so that we can get them to click back in. Push them in. Make sure all four click back in. There we go. Beautiful. So now all four are clicked back in. Now we can start removing this front shroud. T15 bit and start removing the bottom two and the top two screws. And now this side piece is loose now, so when we pull this forward, we can go ahead and take this one out so that it doesn't fall. And then these bottom ones just pull straight out. And then you can disconnect this side light here, this one right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove the motor, and there's 4 screws. 3. And then we're just going to unclip it from the back side, like that. You can go ahead and unplug our light. Right there. And now we can pull our mirror out. Kind of want it to be like halfway out so that we have more room for clearance on the back side to be able to get our light out. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the last 3 screws. Got 1, 2. Alright, so once we have our screws out, our shroud in the front is now loose, where we can pull the shroud out, push that light back, and then feed it through the shroud. Like that. So now we're just gonna peel the beautiful, satisfying protective layer off. Okay. And then put it back up into here. and it looks beautiful. Make sure it matches all in the front as well as matches the holes here in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the one that goes into the actual light in to help hold it. Our bottom one down here. All right, so now we got our light in. Our back shell is in place. Now I'm also going to replacing the chrome caps with their black ones instead, since we are taking all the chrome off of this truck because of modifications that are coming later on. The chrome won't go with them. So we're replacing the chrome with the black ones. You're gonna ever so gently pry on the back of these to put a little bit of pressure on the caps. Pry down on the clips, don't break them. And then voila, it is off. And then on your black ones, you have these two ridges that fit inside of the front ridge where those were on there before, here with the chrome. And then they're just going to clip into place. So 2, 3, and then that side one right here. 4. And voila, your new caps are on now too. And they look so good. Wow, so clean, so beautiful, so wonderful. Now we're gonna go ahead and plug our new light in. Okay. Make sure everything clips into place. Motor back in. Plug it in. Line up our holes again. Put our screws back in. So now that our motor's back in, we're gonna put our front shroud back on. Plug it in. Right here. And since we are replacing the caps, I have a new side cap that goes here instead of the chrome ones that we took off. So we're just gonna kind of feed that in here as well. And then we gotta make sure our plug is fit through our little hole over here. And then clip these bad boys in on the bottom again. Okay. 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 Now, here. You can fold it back in so it locks into place. Now we have our wires and our plugs for our top mirror. And then make sure your clips are in and give it a good push until it snaps into place. Which is really sad because the other side was just fine. I didn't have that problem. And I did it the same exact way I did on this side. So that's frustrating, but you know, things happen. It's okay. It's just glass. You just get it replaced and you're good to go. Yes, it sucks because now we have to wait to put this back on. But aside from that happening, don't they look so good? Wow, so fancy. Boost Auto also has the glass for less than half of the amount that the OEM glass costs. I'm not lying, because it is $77.41 from the dealer. Boost Auto does have the replacement glass for $30.95. So don't worry if that happens to you, but here is the glass if y'all also need it. They have left, right, or both, so you've got options. But there you have it. They look super good. The driver's side went a little bit smoother, specifically with the bottom glass removal, but aside from wiping off the fingerprints, I think they look pretty good, so yay. So, little update, I sent an email to customer service last night about kind of explaining what had happened with the broken glass, and woke up to an email this morning of them overnight shipping a new replacement piece of glass. So shout out to the customer service at Boost Auto, because I was not expecting that whatsoever. So huge thank you to them. And if you ever need any auto parts, lighting, caps, stuff like that, I highly recommend these guys, because they stand behind their customers, they stand behind their products, and I appreciate companies that have amazing customer service like these guys. So if y'all have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments, and I'll do my best to be able to answer them. And anything I can't help y'all with, I will also help have Boost Auto reach out as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I cannot wait to show y'all the next couple mods we have coming soon, also on the GMC. So have a good one, guys. Bye.